Headlines. World No Tobacco Day widely observed. Minister fixes 100-meter as parameter for sale of tobacco items around educational institutes. Locals stage sit-in protest over Rekha killing. Hubby picked up for questioning. And Modi begins his second stint in office today. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me, Mandira, and now the news in detail. World No Tobacco Day was widely observed in Manipur today. National Health Mission and TCP SHS Manipur observed World No Tobacco Day at CC Higher Secondary School, Imphal. The event was organized on the theme, Don't Let Tobacco Take Your Breath Away. On the occasion, Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantakumar said that no one has the right to stop using drug in this modern society, but restriction is mandatory. It seems no one gives importance to health, but we must avoid drug abuse, he added. He then urged the students to listen carefully to doctors and experts speaking in such functions because making our life shorter or longer is in our hands. As part of the event, a yellow mark of 100 meters away from the school campus was drawn, displaying a sign written as Free Tobacco Zone.
But when we take you to the hospital, it's my honest request to my director and the principal of this very higher secondary school. Every school lungs cancer, take them to the hospital and let them have a look. Just about mother children, the mother pre of two oxygen half of the PPC of me and letting away them, but negative country. But can over Angang is really Jinda, like a chain or Mahabadana, nothing but home, another Makura, I'm not touching the military in Habitat. You just think it over. Hello, at the Matunda Cantane.
World No Tobacco Day was also observed by District Health Mission Society in collaboration with District Tobacco Control Cell (NTCP) Imphal West on the theme Tobacco and Lung Health at the Berodan Maxwell Hindi Primary and High School, Thangal Bazar, Imphal. Addressing the function as Chief Guest, Additional Superintendent of Police Operations, Imphal West, A.G. Sharma underlined the need for commitment by every individual in curbing use of tobacco. He further pointed out various health complications caused by tobacco and tobacco products. A.G. Sharma also assured that the anti-tobacco squad of the state police will launch fight against tobacco in Manipur.
Once masi apani addiction legaragadi makal kayagi lena tinalai masigi thinsiga mari lenana koi lungs hai tare koi shor hunbaga mari lena ba masigi track sida makal kayagi koi lena pole.
The function was attended by Chief Medical Officer of Imphal West, Dr. H. Kala Singh as the President, had Mistress of Berodan Maxwell Hindi Primary and High School, K.H. Sunita. School staff and students also attended the event. Later, as part of the observance, police personnel accompanied by health authorities conducted a drive at the nearby shops where a number of tobacco products were seized and the shop owners were fined. The Ushu's school, Khurai Sajur Laikai, also observed World No Tobacco Day, where public attention was drawn on widespread use of tobacco and its ill effects. Besides raising awareness on the negative impact of tobacco, which may cause cancer and other chronic respiratory diseases, those who attended the observance urged tobacco users to abstain from it. The participants performed a street corner play chanting slogan against tobacco use and later took out a procession from the school campus to Lamlong Bridge.
Give assistance to those who are trying to quit this. Tobacco Day 2019 will focus on the multiple measures to improve lung health. Here, more than 7 million people.
In Jiribam too, the Manipuri Students Federation MSF Jiribam District Committee took out a silent mass awareness rally under the theme Tobacco Kills, Don't Be Duped, where several students from different schools of Jiribam took part. Students held placards like Tobacco Kills, Don't Be Duped, Tobacco Breaks Heart, Choose Health, Not Tobacco, and World Number Tobacco Day 2019 during the rally. The rally highlighted the negative impact of tobacco on public health. The rally started from Jiribam Higher Secondary School, marched through IB Karong and Jiri Bazar. Locals today staged a sit-in protest to condemn the brutal killing of Ann Rekha, the mother of Manipur's well-known fashion designer Robert Nauram, in her residence. The demonstrators demanded the government to nab all culprits and punish at the earliest. The protest was held at Imo Filling Oil Pump, Singjamai Makha Thokchom Lekai. Robert Nauram, who was also taking part in the protest, urged the authorities to punish all the perpetrators without any delay. Meanwhile, the Ann Rekha Joint Action Committee JAC has set a deadline to the state government to nab the culprits within 5 days. Failure of the government to fulfill the demand will compel the JAC to launch agitation. JAC convener Ann Mitchell warned, saying that the committee will not claim the body if the government does not meet the demand. Meanwhile, husband of Ann Rekha was picked by Singjamai police around 3:30 p.m. today for questioning in connection with the death of his wife. The Rekha JAC later submitted a memorandum to local MLA and Manipur Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand, demanding that all culprits be nabbed within 5 days' time. Notably, the police have already arrested 4 persons in connection with the killing of Rekha.
Police ki mai kai de gi koi kayumba information ta koi phangjadri ado koi gi JAC ki mai kai de gi di hariba mihat pasi halami bi sa ji puthok tri bo gi koi hariba asiba si lawdaba haina koi gi ahalaman mayam gi advice matuina JAC convener boina matui khajari.
Organization for Indian Women Against Crimes has strongly condemned the recent brutal murder of Naurem Ongwi Rekha at her own residence in Singjamai Thokchom Lekai. Late Rekha was the mother of noted fashion designer Robert Naurem. In a press release, organization secretary Robita Lema also condoled the death of 66-year-old Rekha. It said nowadays women are no safer even at home. She suspected involvement of some Mashans who were engaged in house construction work at the deceased residence in the heinous crime. Robita in the press release believed that the crime might have been committed due to some personal grudges between the Mashans and the family, since there were no signs of Bulgaris where the crime took place. She further urged the public to stop hiring non-Manipuris for any work and to keep a check on giving rented rooms and houses to them. She also appealed to the concerned authority to deliver quick justice in the murder. After an astonishing victory in the Lok Sabha elections, Narendra Modi, who was sworn in as the Prime Minister, began his second term in office today. Modi met leaders of countries from BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, who were invited for the oath-taking. Modi's first engagement was Bangladesh President Mohammad Abdul Hamid at 10:30 am in Hyderabad House, followed by meetings with Sri Lankan President Maithripala Sirisena, Mauritius Prime Minister Pravind Kumar Jugnauth, Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli, and Bhutan Prime Minister Dr. Lothe Tshering. The Prime Ministers moved to invite leaders from BIMSTEC countries. Kyrgyz Republic and Mauritius signals a major outreach to India's neighborhood from the Bay of Bengal to Central Asia, as well as the Indian diaspora. The key message, however, is the outreach to BIMSTEC, which includes Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal, and Bhutan, besides India. Time for a short break. Stay tuned.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, near Manipur University First Gate.
Admission opens for class 11, both arts and science.
Some highlights of the school: Scholarship for meritorious students, strict discipline, separate hostels for boys and girls, gymnasium and fitness centers, guest professors and lecturers, smart classrooms, special concession for handicapped, OBC, ST and SCs, orphans, art and theatre, free education, free admission, separate study rooms for brilliant students, maximum first divisioners, letter mark holders, subject toppers, inspire awardees in the higher secondary examinations, direct admission for the wards of strict parents, IPS, top.
Hello.
Hello. Pakong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan toge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan toge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changnai na coaching tohonba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last ba khong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme. Yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Leisure Adungidamak Salai Mart Home Delivery Service. Numit Kudingi Sizinaba Household Item, FMCG, Grocery Item, Fruits, Vegetables, Fish, Amadi Chicken, School, College Singi Canteen, Institutional Amadi, Hospital Canteen Supply, Masida Sunatana, Isagi Usop, Taksa Hizanaba, Function, Program Amadi, Taksangi Seva Pambiriba Singna, Grocery Item, Yumda Lena Order Tawiba Yagani, Cash Amadi Card Payment Tawiba Yagani, Order Tawiba Matanda, Lupachanga Dagi Tadana Tawi. Akupa Marol Gidamak Pizza Diva number Asida Call Tawiro.
Welcome back. Irate public today came out and dug up the road connecting Yaripok and Nongpok Sengmai by using JCB, thereby blocking the stretch in protest against the inordinate delay in the road repair work taken up by the concerned government department. Despite repeated appeals from the locals for timely completion of the work, according to a source, the 8-kilometer-long road stretch is very important for the locals of Nongpok Sekmai, which falls under the constituency of Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam. Secretary of Nongpok Sekmai Magic Welfare Association Ningthaujam Asha Tomba told our reporters that the repair work on the stretch was started by the state government in 2018. However, it was put on hold halfway. She added that the road blockade will definitely create problems to the general public, but the protest will continue until the concerned authority resumes the work. Secretary of Nongpok Sekmai Meira Paibi, Sinam Memcha mentioned the difficulties faced by the locals due to the present conditions of the road. Many expecting mothers have delivered child en route to hospital due to the dilapidated condition of the road. She then urged the government to initiate immediate action for completion of the work at the earliest.
Nasimaktabu ay no si Phongtok Chajing si club amadi Marapai Octo Iris Magic Punchalaga club Mayam Punchalaga Lambi Jakoi Tokai Bini Semuni Haraga Suksem Sem the Vinam Tokoi Lambi Tokai Bini Masidisha Akoi Kanagumba Lady Bakudimanazu Mateng Pangbiu Hivedi Anayek School Siliba Satra Hivedi Nomagi Sara Tanzari Lalun Misali Bakudimsu Masi Akuna Gari Lipki Basida Mokoyam Warangani Masi Punam to Kumbiraga Sakana Tu Matamda Kongjanga Sanction Bio Sanction Dragadi Akoi Nasi Tokubina, Akoi Octo Iris Magic Supply Toroga Iram Dam Madonna, Adum Matam Sukai Gadi Lepi, Lambi, Shem Dripo.
General Secretary Administration of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit CH Surjit has expressed hope that the party will be able to get around 8 seats in the upcoming 2022 Manipur Assembly elections. This was stated at a press meet held in connection with the opening of Bishnupur District Unit of the party and reception of District Unit functionaries at the office of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit Babupara. M. Ibomcha has been appointed as President, N. Ibomcha as Vice President number 1, I. Ibomcha as Vice President number 2, M. Dojo as General Secretary and H. Nabakumar as Treasurer of Bishnupur District Unit. CH Sujit further maintained that people's trusts have enabled the party to grow. Bishnupur District Unit is the party's 4th unit after Thobal, Imphal East and Senapati, and efforts are being made to open new unit offices at Technopal and Juribam too, Sujit informed. Asserting that the party will begin working from grassroots levels, CH Sujit hoped that Shiv Sena will be able to send its elected members to the Legislative Assembly after the 2022 State Assembly elections, if possible continue to shower love and support to the party.
Shiv Sena da thajaba thamiduna mafam kaya dagi mioi lising kaya na Shiv Sena da yawi rukturang ngasi phawda masing yamlaba mioi singna Shiv Sena da ming chanbire aduna asumlaba asman lakpasida di ekoi mathangi 2022 gi election dadi Shiv Sena gi yamdrabada MLA ekoi soidna tare tataga nipan di soidna puthokpa ngamgna na ekoina asa tawjiri amasung ngasi अखोई लेजरीबा थोबी क्या लोइनना अखोइना मथंगी इलेक्शन दि हायामदा तरी पानी पुथोनबा अखोई कन्ना ग्रास लेवल दि अखोई थवाई यावना होनजरी
Borobekra Subdivision Development Organization, Juribam District, has clarified that the recent newspaper reports over the non-appearance of staffs at the office of Juribam District Commissioner were wrongly published due to communication gap. Organization chairperson P. Jiten Singh, in a press release today, apologized for what he termed a blunder from the side of the organization. 2 Indian nationals have returned to their homes in Assam's Hojai district after spending several years in Bangladesh jail, even as a Bangladesh national deported to the neighboring country. Dilowar and Salem accidentally crossed over to Bangladesh territory by going through a wrong path, after which they were nabbed by BGP Jawans and handed over to Bangladesh police. Later, a Bangladesh court sentenced them to rigorous imprisonment. Following discussions between the High Commissioners of India and Bangladesh, they have finally been sent to India through the Sutarkandi international border. Time for a short break. Keep watching.
Kauna li amadi wana saba potlam sing uda haktuna saba phazaraba leitengi potlam sing nungbi Manipur gi puwari ga mari leinaba laidi sing kabokang na saba potlam sing salai taret ki lengyan fi amadi notice ki mafam kayada saba phazaraba handicraft ki potlam sing phangbiragani plastic ki mapal tangbagi mahutta mahusagi potlam na saba pothok sing sijinabiyo Lengsin Biraksi Akhom Handicrafts, a unit of Iraima Women's Welfare Association, Kongba Nandaibam Laikai, Kongba Road, Imphal East District, Manipur, 795008. Akupamarol Gidama contact Birau 98632 43964 Natraga 9402 987076.
Top University Singi Marakta Ama Oiriba, Assam Downtown University, Guwahati the Engineering, Management, Nursing, Pharmacy, Hotel Management, Paramedical the Ming Chanbining Basingna, Sitful Oidringa the Nasimaklak Piduna Ming Chanbiu. Admission Office, Assam Downtown University, Babupara, Bosemlerak Imphal.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water.
lamjingba group ki unit ama oiriba Kangla Packaged Drinking Water lakliba June ki tang kunda launch tawzaragani hairiba numit asidagi hauna miyamda home delivery ki khuthangda ising pibagi thabak su hawzaragani yumthong khudingmakta khudong chaba asi pizagani athoba matamda register tobiyu akaknaba matam kharagi oina pizariba khudong chaba asi manghanbiganu akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau 8257 888 737.
Hey, Bima, exam pass to bugi haraugi di later no unga pami du karigino.
Pamoyage school puna tamin ready I like tamatoge.
Ay ma amtang ako. Nangbu, ko ibim ga lari punna tamina batan bene.
ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯟꯇꯣꯝꯕꯤꯅ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁꯀ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯟꯇꯣꯝꯕꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯦ ꯕꯥꯆꯧ
ꯍꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯍꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗꯨꯕꯣ ꯍꯥ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯅꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯆꯉꯥꯡꯒꯩ ꯎꯆꯦꯀꯣꯟꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯟꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯂꯦꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ MILꯒꯤ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ free medical check-out.
Hey, nangbo adiyam phaba school am phangaga nacha ani gi form loruktridi karigino.
Taso oisu apam mi nati kai doroge. Say form.
Lori in he.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing ama chawpat marifom doi ki hona chai kuntramanga hena Northeast India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lerek laba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjare TV amadi phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabang am dabigi awaba mayok na dibna al kuding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic nga si maklengsin direktuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid hapiu tabang amagi pangalwana badom gi khangna chana ba single power si tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangmam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009545159.
Welcome back. Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party NDPP of Nagaland has congratulated Narendra Modi after taking the oath of office and secretary as the 15th Prime Minister of the country yesterday. The NDPP also expressed their good wishes to the Council of Ministers who were also administered the oath of office and secretary by President of India Ramnath Kovind at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. As an alliance partner of the NDA and NEDA, the NDPP-led PDA government in Nagaland looked forward to the world's largest democracy evolving into a recognized power in the international arena under the dynamic leadership of the Prime Minister on the foundation of a secular, democratic republic which made India a great nation. Tripura police destroyed massive quantity of seized drugs worth of rupees 4.5 crore at a drug disposal area in Bundjung Nagar. Police sources said that the high-level drug disposal committee headed by the state police had destroyed 5,925 kilograms of cannabis, ganja and 52,306 bottles of banned cough syrup including Fencidil, X-Cough, etc. 91,642 tablets including yaba and 441.045 grams of heroin. Police authorities including DIG Intelligence L. Darlong from the High-Level Drug Disposal Committee and other members of the committee were also present during destruction of the seized narcotic items. Meghalaya ranked 5th with 47% of tobacco users and ranked 2nd with 31.6% of smokers in the Northeast as per the Global Adult Tobacco Survey 2 GATS 2 2016-17. According to the survey, Meghalaya also has the highest incidence of esophageal food pipe cancer in the country. The average monthly expenditure on cigarette for a daily smoker is Rs 1,192 rupees. If this present pattern of use persists, tobacco could cause as many as 1 billion premature deaths globally during the 21st century. On the eve of the World No Tobacco Day, the government said that tobacco use is the world's leading single cause of death and one of the largest preventable causes of morbidity and mortality in the world. Singapore, in partnership with Volvo Buses, has taken a leap in the world of driverless, fully autonomous buses. The city-state is conducting trials of a Volvo 7900 series electric bus along test roads with the hands-free technology in the driver's seat. A suicide car bomb exploded early this morning in an eastern neighborhood of the capital Kabul, leaving 7 casualties. The attacker struck in the eastern Yakatot neighborhood, where US and NATO forces maintain complexes as well as facilities operated by Afghan National Security Forces. Yesterday, 6 people were killed when a suicide bomber blew himself up outside an Afghan Army Academy and Training Center, also in the same area but several miles away from today's explosion. No one has taken responsibility for either attack, but both the Taliban and an Islamic State affiliate have infiltrated the capital in the past. Now time for the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Amit Shah debates in Modi cabinet. Sushma Swaraj not to be part of Council of Ministers anymore. Narendra Modi sworn in as Prime Minister for second stint on the trot. List of BVIPs at the oath-taking ceremony. Imphal Free Press. Modi sworn in for second term as Prime Minister. Menaka likely to be pro tem Speaker. CBI submits fresh charge sheets against CDOs. The People's Chronicle. Sushma, several others dropped from Modi cabinet. Congress mulls legal suit for axing defectors. Mercury rises, fire outbreak, fear grips More. Imphal Ziri MST bus service from June 5th. Reams in disarray as non-teaching staff defy pleas. The Morning Bell. Narendra Modi sworn in as Prime Minister with Amit Shah, 23 other cabinet colleagues. BDF to lay down arms if government fails to declare their extension order. FAC policemen who threatened locals arrested. Contraband drugs seized from 2 different places. AR pledges for drug-free Manipur.
Now the top stories once again. World No Tobacco Day widely observed. Minister fixes 100 meter as parameter for sale of tobacco items around educational institutes. Locals stage sit-in protest over Rekha killing. Hubby picked up for questioning. And Modi begins his second stint in office today. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.